So in this video we will learn about BackHandler API. Basically it detects the hardware button presses for back navigation. On Android devices you get a physical back button, so you can map that physical button to any actions you want to perform. You can exit the app, close the app, or perform various actions using that back button. But it's only available for Android. As all of you know, in our iPhones we don't get back button, so it only works with Android devices. So let me just create a React Native project and open it on Visual Studio Code. And I have already opened the Android emulator, and again keep that in mind that it only works on Android devices. So we are going to use effect hook, and who don't and some of you, if some of you don't know about use effect hook, I already created a video on this, so you can watch it in the React Native playlist. So let me just import the necessary component. First one is view, then text, alert. We will provide alert when user first press the back button, and then the most important is back handler. So first of all, let me create a hook, use effect. Okay, so first of all we create a function which will be called when user press on the back button, and we will be getting a alert, and when user press on the yes or cancel option, then this back action function will get in effect. Const back action. Okay, so when user first click on the back button, he will get an alert. The title of the alert will be stop, and then we'll provide the message, are you sure you want to go back? Then we provide options for the yes and cancel button. The first one will be the cancel button, and the text will be cancel, and when user press on the cancel option, then nothing will happen because basically he terminate the process. Let us provide style, cancel. The next button will be for yes, the text will be yes, and when user press on yes button, we will call backhandler dot exit app. Okay, return true. Now let's create a back handler when this back action will be called. Back handler dot add event listener. We'll be adding an event listener. Hardware back press. So this is our event. Whenever user press on this button over here, we'll be calling back action this function. So whenever user press on this back button, we'll be calling this function. It will pop an alert, and the title of the alert will be stop, and message will be, are you sure you want to go back? Then user get two options. First one is cancel, the second one is yes. So when user click on cancel, nothing will happen, and if user press on yes, then through the BackHandler API we are going to exit the app. Let me just create a button. Let me just create a text, sorry for that. Click on bang button. Okay, okay, styles not text. Let me just provide styling for the text. Font size 20. Okay, let me just save this. This is optional, so you don't get to see a blank screen. Let me just save this and see if it works. So yeah, we are getting no error or warnings. So let me just go through over it once more. We have created a hook use effect, and in that we specified a function back action for exiting the app whenever user press on this back button, which is this back handler, and we provide hardware back press event listener. So whenever user press on this, the back action function will initiated, and he gets a alert and gets two options. So let me just click on the back button over here. As you can see, the title is stop and a message, are you sure you want to go back? So if I press on cancel, it will simply cancel the event. Nothing will happen. Let me just press it again and cancel. Nothing will happen. But if I press on yes, then it will exit from the app. So yes, as you can see, now we are existed from the app. So this is basically how you can map the physical back button to any action you want to perform. Usually whenever you press back button, when you are on main screen, the home screen, then when user press back, then user usually exited from the app. So you can provide that function, and you can provide multiple buttons over here to perform different types of actions. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.